Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve Samsung stuck on logo after update. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Samsung stuck on logo screen problem with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Perform a soft reset. A soft reset is the first thing you should do when your Samsung stuck on logo screen. A soft reset is essentially turning off and turning on your phone to solve minor bugs and glitches on your device. To do this, unlock the screen of your phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Remove and reinsert the battery. If your phone has a removable battery, you can try taking it out and putting it back in after some time. The goal of this method is to strip the phone of its power before restarting it and seeing if the problem is gone. Solution 3. Boot your Samsung phone in safe mode. Booting your device in a safe mode can also help you to fix Samsung stuck on logo after update. This will disable all the apps running in the background and decrease the operating system function. To do this, you have to press and hold the power button. Then click on the power off option. After that, leave the power button and press the volume down button. Now continue to hold it unless the phone boots up. Solution 4. Factory reset your phone. Another yet solution to fix this issue is factory resetting your phone. However, applying this method will wipe out all data on your phone, so make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. For this, open the settings on your Samsung phone. Then go to the About phone. Click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the Samsung stuck on logo issue is resolved. Solution 5. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to fix Samsung stuck on logo issue, then opt for the Android Repair Tool. This software can solve Android system errors and issues, like the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, and many more. So, if you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Samsung stuck on logo after update. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.